In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix the Telegram channel not loading. So if none of your channels within Telegram are loading, or if it is a case with a specific Telegram channel, in this video, let me show you the way on how you can fix it. Now, if it is a case with a specific Telegram channel, what have happened is because the particular channel has sensitive content. So what you need to do is open up a web browser, search for web.telegram.org, and then once you're inside, you'll need to log into your Telegram account. Now, once you're inside of the web version, head over to the hamburger menu on the top left, and then head over to settings. Once you're inside of settings, head over to privacy and security, and right here you should be able to see the option which says show 18 plus content. You can simply toggle this option or check this option, and once you complete this step, you can head back to your Telegram application and the channels should now start to be viewable. Now, if it is a case of none of the channels are being displayed, in this situation what you can simply do is try to reinstall the Telegram application. So just uninstall the Telegram app from your device and then again re-download it. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.